Homes coming to the market declined this week following weeks of rising listings as new contracts also fell. Today is Friday, October 27th, 2023. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates to you every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. The Southern Maryland and Eastern Shore markets saw inventory rise while other regions saw declines in new inventory to the market. Prices are still higher today than a year ago, and buyers are still active, but showings are seasonally down and keeping pace with last year's activity at this time. 779 homes are coming soon, exactly the same as last week. 1,739 homes hit the market over the past week, falling from the trend of increasing inventory. 538 went under contract, 741 moved to pending, 997 sold at 100% list to sold ratio, and 9 days before going under contract. The highest priced home to sell over this past week was in Easton for $3,900,000. Rentals available rose again this week to $2,514, yet remains steady at $2,400 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, October 27th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend and any Halloween plans you may have. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.